Are you tired of spending hours sifting through resumes, trying to find the perfect candidate for your business? We get it, hiring can be a time-consuming and tedious process. Introducing Resume Parser, a cutting-edge service designed to revolutionize how businesses handle resumes. With just a few clicks, you can transform unstructured resumes into clean, actionable data. Instead of manually reviewing each resume, Resume Parser uses advanced AI to extract key information, such as skills, experience, education, and contact details, saving you hours of work. Need to find a candidate with specific qualifications? No problem. Resume Parser allows you to search and sort resumes by key criteria, ensuring you focus on the most relevant talent. But it doesn't stop there. With Resume Parser, businesses can speed up the hiring process, reduce human error, and build stronger, more diverse teams faster than ever before. Using Resume Parser has completely transformed how we hire. We've cut our review time in half and found top candidates who might have been overlooked before. Ready to supercharge your hiring process? Try Resume Parser today and discover the smarter way to recruit. Visit us at MagicalAPI.com. Resume Parser, because the best hires deserve the best tools.